Hey YouTube, this is Fireflash here coming at you with another parcel unboxing. This is from a New Zealand collector. He's on the New Zealand Hot Wheels Collectors Facebook group. I've sent him a few parcels this year, and he inquired about a couple of the Slick Rides, Larry's Garage, etc. cars that I got in a few, probably a month ago now. And I said, well, I can't send you one because I've fallen in love with it, but I will send you the other one that you like. And he's come around and sent a parcel. It's a very, very heavy parcel from the feel of it. So let's open her up and see what I got. Right, got a load of bubble wrap, guys. Now he did also score me some items that I was missing at the time. I've now since secured these, but however, having doubles is all good in my book. So the first item is a Matchbox 2008 Chevy Corvette ZR1. What I'll just do is actually pick up the camera and do that so we get a better shot of the car. The next item is a highway maintenance truck with plough, or as I've said before, snow plough. Why don't they just call it a snow plough? Absolutely love this casting. Haven't opened one yet. Must get around to that shortly. Well, next up we have a 2011 Ducati 1098R. Now compared to the 2012 Treasure Hunt, this is a perfect way to have a bike. Absolutely love this. I'm not sure if I have this in my collection at the moment. Honestly, can't recall. If I do, I'll probably open it because I love it. And if I don't, well, it's a fine addition to the collection. Next up we have a 2011 Circle Trucker. Again, I honestly have no idea if I have this in my collection. So great addition to the collection, and if I already have it, I will be opening it. Absolutely love the sort of racing cars or racing tempos. So the next item is one that he promised to send me. Now he did want the blue one to complete his Slick Ride collection, but I said, sorry man, I actually fell in love with the blue one. So he said, no worries. For the one you sent me, I will send you the matching red version. So I'm so glad to have this in my growing, it's called the Slick Ride series, yep, the Slick Ride series. So thank you very, very much for your contribution to my parcel. I've actually got a loose car here. I'll just try and open that. Honestly don't know what it is. So Corvette Grand Sport. Obviously knows that I love racing tempos. So I don't have this sealed or loose. So very, very glad to have it for the loose collection. In fact, we'll leave him over in the background. Next up we have a Matchbox Lesney edition. This is a 68 Ford Mustang 428 Cobra Jet. This is one fantastic looking car. Obviously came out before I got interested in sort of collecting. I never saw it in the shelves, or on the shelves I should say. It looks fantastic. Not a real big fan of sort of American muscle cars, but someone will correct me and tell me this is not an American muscle car, it's just an old vintage car. But yeah, absolutely love it. Next up we actually have another Lucy. He's actually done this one up a wee bit better. So we'll just find my knife with the tape, a bit of a cut. We have the 2012 A-Case Treasure Hunt. It's a D32. Actually, the base does not tell me what it is, and I can't recall off the top of my head. I actually do have one of these already opened, as well as a couple carded, because it was the first treasure hunt for 2012 that I looked at and went, wow, I must have. However, very, very glad to have another one. We'll park those two there. This parcel just seems to keep on going and going. This is another one of the Matchbox doubles. I did not have it when I asked them to help me out. I've since obviously acquired several of them. I still haven't opened this, so maybe I will. Who knows? Oh well. We have a Hot Wheels Classics Series 2 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Now this looks really, really nice. I think this is my first Classics. I think I'm going to have a look at that list on the back, see if there's anything else that tickles my fancy. And next up we have the 78 Ford Mustang 2. Yeah, I knew that I wanted one of these to open. Obviously his part of New Zealand. Once again got stuff that I haven't seen locally down here. So another great big thank you. We have another 8 crate. Seems to be a popular trade figure among New Zealand collectors. I just got rid of a couple of these today. I took them back to the stores because I wasn't finding anyone that wanted them. So this is definitely a double. This is a 2011 Hot Wheel Premier Danica Patrick 2010 Chevy Impala. I know I do have this carded, as I wasn't buying cars to open when I saw this on the shelf, and then decided that was a bad idea. But anyone hooked me up with a to open version, so here we go. That one will be opened eventually. Next up we have a 2001, trying to read the side of the card there, Squadron Series Dodge Daytona Charger. That's really, really nice looking car. Absolutely love it. Wow, I do like. Oh, sorry, it's called the Rod Squadron series. We have another Slick Rides GMC motorhome that looks really nice as well. One of these old series that I've never saw on the shelf. Wasn't a collector back when they came out, so missed, of course. Really nice. Thank you once again, dude. And at the bottom of the box we have a Hot Wheels poster of some description. It looks like a 2011 catalogue. Yep, definitely a 2011 product catalogue. It's an awesome edition. Never saw one, never got one locally. So thank you very much. So that's my parcel from a dude on the Facebook group for New Zealand Hot Wheels collectors. Absolutely love the content of the parcel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now.